Okay, this is number 7 on chapter 9.1. We're working on confidence intervals in this chapter for sample proportions, and you start and you're given a level of confidence, and you're asked to find a confidence interval around a, a, a sample proportion. And here is actually the opposite. We're supposed to we're supposed to use a sample size to create a given confidence interval of a given length, right? Which is going to be 0.03 to either side, which is going to be 0.06 overall. So StatCrunch gives us a nice way to do that. We go to proportion stats, one sample, power sample size. We go to confidence interval width. Okay. And so this first is the confidence level. We want a 99% confidence, right? And then that's going to require more people, right? The higher confidence interval for this. And we want, here our target proportion is, we've previously used an estimate of 0.34 for the sample proportion. And we want the width to be, we want it to be 0.03 on either side. So the overall width is just twice this, right? This is the margin of error. Twice that is the width, 0.06 or 0.03 on each side. Then we just compute the sample size for that. So that tells us we need, let's see, 1,655 people to guarantee that we can get a confidence interval that size with a 99% level of confidence. Okay. Now, in part B, that we don't have any prior estimates. So what we always do is we just choose the target proportion to be 0.5 because that's the most conservative. It makes it requires the most number of people in the sample. Okay. And we'll guarantee that we'll at least get a confidence interval of the prescribed width and confidence. It's like the worst case scenario. You see how this is more than the previous one? So here's 1844. Let me check that one. So I hope that one helps, how to use the tech to answer this question on StatCrunch, on MyStatLab.